Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Daily English Plus. My name is Jessica, and in this episode, we are going to talk about the science of happiness. Happiness is something that everyone wants. But what really makes us happy? Is it money? Is it success? Or is it something else? Today, we will explore what scientists say about happiness, and I will share some tips that you can use to feel happier in your daily life.
What is happiness?
Happiness means feeling good about your life and enjoying the moment. For some people, happiness is spending time with family. For others, it is traveling, doing hobbies, or relaxing after a long day. Scientists say that happiness has two parts. 1, dismay good in the moment. For example, when you laugh with friends or enjoy your favorite food. 2, live life satisfaction, feeling that your life is going well overall. Both are important. We can have happy moments, but we also want to feel satisfied when we think about our lives. How the brain creates happiness. When we are happy, something happens in our brain. The brain releases special chemicals. Dopamine makes us feel motivated and rewarded. Serotonin helps us feel calm and stable. Endorphins make us feel good, especially after exercise. Oxytocin gives us a feeling of connection and love. These chemicals are like nature's way of rewarding us when we do something good for ourselves or for others. Myths about happiness. Many people believe things about happiness that are not true. Let's look at a few. Myth 1. Money will make me happy forever. Money can make life easier, but studies show that after our basic needs are met, more money does not bring much more happiness. Myth 2. Some people are born happy, others are not. It is true that personality is important, but scientists say about 40% of our happiness comes from our habits and choices. This means we can train ourselves to be happier. Myth 3. Happiness means no problems. Life always has problems, but happy people are better at finding meaning in positive moments, even during hard times. Habits that make us happier. The good news is that science has found many simple habits that can help us feel happier. Be grateful. Every day, think about 3 things you are thankful for. Taken mix-ups, is it given every mom might your body? Energetic. Walking, dancing, or playing sports can improve your mood. Spend time with people you love. Friends and family are important for happiness. Be kind. Helping others makes you feel good too. Be present. Try to focus on the moment instead of worrying about the past or future. Purpose and meaning. Happiness is not only about feeling good, it is also about having a purpose in life. Purpose means having something important to work for. It could be your job, your studies, your family, or a goal you want to reach. People with a clear purpose often feel more satisfied with life, even if they are not always happy every day. Can we measure happiness? Scientists can actually measure happiness. They ask people questions about their feelings, scan their brains, and even study how people speak and write online. One famous study from Harvard University followed people for over 80 years. The researchers found that good relationships are the most important factor for long-term happiness. A short happiness exercise. Let's try a quick exercise you can do every day. 1. 3 deep breaths. 2. Think of one thing you are grateful for. 3. Preem a kind message to someone you know. It only takes 1 or 2 minutes, but it can improve your mood right away. So, what have we learned today? Happiness is a mix of positive emotions, life satisfaction, healthy habits, and strong relationships. It is not about being happy all the time. It is about enjoying the good moments and finding meaning in life. Thank you for listening to Daily English Plus. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend. And remember, Happiness is something we can practice every day.